Welcome everyone on Tech News. Yes, Starship is ready for its first orbital flight. SN20, the latest lineup in Starship, is finally happening, and it will be the world's biggest rocket to ever fly, and it has not been achieved easily. After blowing up numerous Starship, on May 5, 2021, SN15 finally landed successfully after its 10-kilometer altitude test flight. And today, we will discuss the latest happening in Starship. Before this, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Now, in September 2016, Elon Musk revealed Starship with its goal to kickstart Mars colonization and terraforming. And after 5 years, Starship is fully assembled and will launch its first orbital flight in few weeks. It will be the world's biggest rocket to fly until now. Its height is 120 meters in 2 stages, which surpasses 110 meters high Saturn V rocket. Elon Musk plans to reach Moon and Mars, making humanity a multi-planetary species. And if it's to be believed, NASA has already included SpaceX Starship for its 2024 moon mission for a $2.9 billion moonlander contract as a part of the space agency's Artemis program. So when SN20 launch, it will be a historical day. But it's not a simple task, which Elon Musk also mentioned in its tweet, Starship is hard. Now, Starship is a fully reusable spacecraft which is designed to take humans to other planets. For this, it has to withstand atmospheric heat of more than 1500 degrees Celsius while re-entry. After this, it needs to land vertically at launch pad so that it can be used again. Starship reusability is crucial to interplanetary travel, and after almost 10 failed attempts, Starship successfully landed vertically with its SN15. On 12 October 2021, Elon tweeted Starship's launch site, showing stage 1 and stage 2 being assembled. So we can expect it to launch soon, hopefully within next few weeks. And on its success, SpaceX will be a lot closer to its Moon and Mars mission. SpaceX has already announced Dear Moon mission and have sold its first round-trip moon ticket aboard spaceship to Japanese billionaire Yusaku Maezawa, a founder of Japanese e-commerce giant Zuzo. Musk said he expected it could be ready for the mission as soon as 2023. So a lot is dependent on Starship's success, and we hope and we wish its first orbital flight will be a success. We will update you the SN20 launch date soon. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. We bring you all the latest news in the tech world.